how to install WordPress on DigitalOcean. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you simply open up DigitalOcean, and after that you need to log into your account. After logging into your account, you would be able to find this option of create at the top of your screen. Just simply click on it, then select the option of droplets. After that, you need to scroll down and you would be able to find the option of marketplace. It is right below the choose an image option. Just simply select marketplace, and over there you need to search for WordPress and then select it. After that, you need to select the droplet type that you are looking for, then select the CPU options. You should select it as per your needs and requirements, but it would be better if you select at least 4 GB of RAM for it. And after that, you can create your password, and after that you can finalize the details and set up your WordPress on DigitalOcean. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.